Hello everyone, picture this. You're browsing through a stack of books at a store, trying to decide which one to read next. What do you do first? You flip to the back cover and read the summary. If that summary grabs your attention and gives you a glimpse of an exciting story, you're likely to buy the book. The same applies to job seekers reading job circulars. The job summary is like the book's blurb. It's what convinces potential candidates to read further and consider applying. Today, we will learn how to write a job summary that captivates and informs candidates right from the start. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the purpose and importance of a job summary, learn the key components of an effective job summary, gain strategies for crafting job summaries that engage and inform potential candidates. The job summary provides a brief overview of the role, highlighting its key aspects and significance within the organization. It serves several important functions, grabs attention, captures the interest of potential candidates, provides context, offers a snapshot of the role and its place within the company, sets expectations, gives an initial sense of the responsibilities and requirements. A well-written job summary for a digital marketing manager might read, "We are seeking a dynamic digital marketing manager to join our innovative marketing team. This role is essential for driving our online presence and engaging our target audience through creative and data-driven strategies." Begin with a concise overview of the role. Clearly state the job title and its main purpose within the organization. As a software engineer at XYZ Corporation, you will be responsible for developing and maintaining our core applications to ensure optimal performance and user experience. Highlight the primary responsibilities and tasks associated with the role. This helps candidates understand what they will be doing on a daily basis. You will design, code, and test software applications, collaborate with cross-functional teams, and participate in code reviews. Briefly mention the essential qualifications and skills required for the role. This helps to set expectations and filter out unqualified candidates. The ideal candidate will have a bachelor's degree in computer science, 3+ years of experience in software development, and proficiency in Java and Python. Include a brief overview of the company and its values. This helps candidates determine if they could be a great fit for the organization. XYZ Corporation is a leading innovator in the tech industry, known for our collaborative culture and commitment to continuous learning and growth. Emphasize what makes the role and the company unique. This can include opportunities for growth, exciting projects, or unique company perks. As a marketing analyst at ABC Corporation, you will have the opportunity to work on groundbreaking campaigns and access to our state-of-the-art analytics tool. Consider the needs and interests of your target candidates. Tailor the job summary to address what they might find most appealing about the role. For a startup, focus on the opportunities for rapid growth and hands-on experience. Be a part of our fast-growing startup, where you will have the chance to shape your marketing strategy from the ground up. Write a compelling job summary for a fictional job posting. Focus on making it concise and engaging. Then, swap your job summary with a classmate and provide constructive feedback on each other's work. To learn more, read The New Rules of Work, the modern playbook for navigating your career by Alexandra and Catherine.